Detailed examination of the gel formation in this Blue Star 2-ton split air conditioner is going on here. The engineers are trying to check why the water is forming and dripping from blocked filter or some other this condensation. It could be both condensation and blocked filter, blocked vent pipe. This is within 50 days of repair they have come back. 24th May I had repaired this. Today is 14th July. Before that 4 or 5 times we had repaired it. Once the full AC was dismantled and reassembled. It took them half day, but nothing worked. An elaborate procedure to repair a leaking air conditioning unit. Dismantling it, checking it. It's terrible. You have to wash it now and rinse it for anything that is obstructing. This is the standard procedure. This is final stage of the assembly of the PC. I spent a lot of time in washing all the dirt and everything. I have to check now the solution in the bucket, whatever they have washed, color of that solution. This is what we get after 46 days of 50 days. 50 days of washing. After 50 days, this is the color of the solution after washing the EC Blue Star.